Okay, interior-wise, we got the TMI kit. It came basically using all of the framework from the front and the rear seats. We replaced the cushions with new cushions. These are actually bolstered a little bit more than what would have been stock. So the kit there and the cushions on the seats are all new. Kind of the exterior edge. Scuff plate, and clearly this is driver. There is a Ford emblem that fits right here. The yellow flasher in there is a loud one. It's a louder one, so you can kind of hear the flasher that it's on. I do not have the brake hooked up. That's there for the vent. The lights work. The wires are for, I went ahead and added the tachometer as well. The dash bezel, that is new. And then it says actually 1,600 miles. The speedometer is new. I wanted to start recording the miles when I got things rolling again. The blower motor, actually these pieces are new and shiny. The blower motor itself is new. The tray opens fine. The wires underneath are just really from the radio that haven't been hooked up. How do we explain this one here? So this was still an original piece. Just kind of used a little Scotch-Brite, real nice and light. But I did go ahead and do new rubber inside of there, which worked out pretty well. And when you're going to go and do this stuff, the glove box there, the door for the glove box is new. And actually, it's got a little bit of dust on it right now, but essentially the dash also is brand new. The trim piece in the front of it actually was just kind of sanded up and then painted again. Headliner has been replaced, as well as the visors. So the door handle, actually there's the door handle, window handle crank, and those pieces are new. The door card, I can send you a picture. The door cards are not installed at the moment. So anyway, but I have those and they're new as well. So getting toward the back, it's hard to see from here, and there's a reflection. Anyway, the package tray, kind of the top side of it, that's new as well. Anyway, the carpet is new. I can peel up the edges so that we can see the sound and heat tender that's down there as well. It actually reduced the temperature on the floor about 30 degrees when I tested it from before and after. So hopefully that gives a little bit more information. It is not a perfect vehicle by far. That's kind of the big stuff at this point. Thank you. Bye-bye.